In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 tutorial PDF. If you're new to MetaTrader 5 or just want a solid reference you can keep open while you learn, a good PDF guide can save you time and confusion. I'll show you where to get one and how to make the most of it so the concepts actually stick. First, let's grab a beginner-friendly guide. Head to the page at algotrading.space.com, MetaTrader 5 tutorial. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You may be asked to provide an email before accessing the file, which is common for free guides. Once you've confirmed access, download the PDF and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated trading folder. If you don't see the file right away, check your downloads folder or your email's promotions or spam tab just in case. If you prefer a longer manual you can read online, visit scribed.com/document 313477048 Basic MetaTrader 5 Guide. Depending on your account, you can read it in your browser and, in some cases, download it for offline use. These larger manuals typically cover installation, trading basics, order types, and how to set stop loss and take profit. Now, here's what you can expect inside most MT5 tutorial PDFs and how to use each section effectively. Start with the platform layout. You'll learn where to find Market Watch for symbols and prices, Navigator for accounts and indicators, and charts for your analysis. Keep the PDF open while you click through those panels in MT5 so you connect the terms with what you see on screen. Next, focus on how to place trades. The guide will walk you through opening the order window, choosing the symbol, setting volume, and submitting the order. Don't rush this. Practice on a demo account as you read so you build muscle memory. Pay close attention to order types. You'll see market orders for instant execution and pending orders like limit and stop. The PDF will explain when each is used. It's worth reading that section twice because choosing the right order type can improve your entries. Risk management is critical. The stop loss and take profit chapters explain how to protect your account and plan exits. As you read, try setting both on a demo trade to feel how they behave. Finally, explore indicators, chart settings, and an introduction to expert advisors for automated strategies. Use the PDF search or bookmarks to jump to topics quickly and jot down page numbers for sections you revisit often. That's it. Download your preferred PDF, keep it open beside MT5, and work through layout, orders, and risk step by step. With the guide as your roadmap, you'll learn faster and trade more confidently.